Okay, so in this application of Taylor series, we're going to use Taylor series to approximate integrals. So the integral that I've written here, we know that this is a problematic one because e to the negative x squared does not have an elementary antiderivative, so we cannot evaluate it using the fundamental theorem of calculus. So how do we evaluate this or approximate it using a Taylor series or Taylor polynomials? Okay, so we're going to do the exact same thing that we do in all of these applications, and that is every time we see a complicated function, we replace it with its Taylor series. So e to the negative x squared is our problematic function here. So we can replace it with its Taylor series. So we can get this from the Taylor series of e to the x by substituting in a negative x squared. So the Taylor series of this function becomes 1 minus x squared plus x to the 4th over 2 factorial minus x to the 6th over 3 factorial plus x to the 8th over 4 factorial, and then so on. Okay, and that's with respect to x. Okay, so now we can write an antiderivative of e to the negative x squared as a series. But I'm actually going to cut it off. It depends what accuracy we want, but I'm going to just cut it off for the first few terms. So I'm going to say that this is approximately equal to the integral from 0 to 1 minus x squared plus x to the 4th over 2 factorial. Okay, and someone else might decide that they want to go a little bit further. That's as far as I'll go. Okay, so now we can apply the fundamental theorem of calculus to this polynomial. We know polynomials are really easy to integrate. So an antiderivative of the integrand is going to be x, and then we get minus x cubed over 3 plus x to the 5th divided by 5 times 2 factorial. Okay, and since this is a definite integral, we want to evaluate that at 1 and 0. Okay, and so we end up getting 1 minus 1/3 plus 1 over 5 times 2. So that's 1 minus 1/3 plus 1/10. And that evaluates to approximately 0.76 repeated. And actually, this is the way that a computer algebra system would approximate a definite integral of something when it cannot find an elementary antiderivative.